Customizing transaction numbering is a great way to manage posted and open documents by keeping ID numbers consistent. To begin, expand the Administration section and open General Preferences. Locate the tab on the left side of the window named Transaction Numbering. This window has a few different options. A drop-down box in the upper left allows you to select which type of card will be configured. Click on the drop-down and select one of the options: AR batch payments, closed invoices, item assemblers, open invoices, purchase orders, receiving logs, or transfers. In the top right corner, there is a checkbox to apply defaults to all workstations. This allows you to make all of the documents in this section use the same ID format, regardless of which workstation posts the document. If you want to make each workstation have a unique prefix or numbering system for the card selected, uncheck the box in the top right and the grid below will become available to edit. If you have multiple registers and you want to assign unique numbering to each, find the workstation in the list and then double-click its prefix or next number to begin editing the information. Having each workstation use a different prefix is a great way to make transfers or closed invoices easily distinguishable. For example, every invoice posted from Register 2 could have a prefix of R2. The closed ID will be printed on the receipt, allowing you to quickly tell which register the sale took place at. Each type of card can be configured individually so that you can use a combination of transaction numbering methods depending on what is most helpful for you. Thank you for tuning in to this POSIM Evo video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to POSIM Tech Support by phone, email, or chat with us on our website.